Hi everyone, my brand new resource book, Sustainable Development Strategies for Young Learners, has just arrived and I can't wait to open it. Shall we do it? Are you ready? Here we go. Okay. Sustainable Development Strategies for Young Learners, ready to use lessons for children. Okay. I've been meaning to write it for many years, but I've only just got round to finishing it and finding the right publisher, Delta Publishing. Shall we have a look? I love the smell of books and new books particularly. Look at that. You know that this isn't my first book, but I always feel really excited when I get the book in print form, I won't say in the flesh, in the paper. Now, friends and colleagues know just how important it is for me to teach children about being kind to each other, kind to other living things, to the environment and the world around them. And so for me, sustainable development goals just made so much more sense. I've included detailed notes to fun and practical ready to use activities, which are this is the important point, which I've used with children to help them see that they can make a difference to the world they live in. So thank you for watching and I'll see you soon. Okay, bye.